Okay, this is your IELTS speaking part 1.
Yes.
Do you work or study?
Recently, I'm doing nothing except to preparing for my IELTS examinations.
Okay. How often do you meet your family?
Most of the time, I live with my family, but from the last month, I am away from my home, so I visit them.
Okay, since the
To,
last month, I have been away from my home, so I visit them on the weekend.
so I visit them once in fortnight.
Okay, I visit them once in a fortnight. That's good. How do you spend time with your family?
Most of the time, I spend with my family in many different ways. Like we have outdoor meetings in the weekends. Even we eat together at home, and even we watch TVs
All
together.
right, try to focus fluency
Right.
and avoid repetition. Even we meet together at the weekend, and sometimes we do watch TV together as well. Not say even we meet, even we watch TV. That's
Right.
what we call repetition.
Right.
Repeating any structure, any word again and again, that will decrease your bench score.
Okay.
Okay, do you want to live with your family in the future?
Yes, I love to live with my family. Even I am away, I am going some foreign country, but I finally want to live with my family,
Your family or her family?
not my
Yeah,
family.
yeah, my
Yeah.
her family is my family. Yeah, no.
No,
Okay.
that's not the concept.
All right, that's good. Are you close to all of your family members?
Yes, we are very close to each other because there are many reasons. First of all, we support each other in our tough times, and secondly, we have a lot of fun when we gather at some spot.
Okay. How has your family influenced you?
My family has influenced me a lot of time. A lot of time. Firstly, they helped me in deciding some uh, some fruitful decisions, and even and sometimes they support me.
Okay, you just need to talk about influence of your family on you. How has your family influenced you? My
Yes.
family has influenced me in many ways. First of all, my family has helped me to become a good human being. If
Right.
today I am honest and truthful, this is just because of my family. On the other hand, the influence of my family can be seen in my personality.
Right.
The way I talk, the way I deal with people, this is all because of my family. So I would say there has been a great impact of my family on me.
Right.
Something like that, okay?
Okay.
Good. मुझे साथ ले जाना ये?
No, no, sir.
Good. Overall, it's fine. Try to speak fluently and try to come up with some ideas to
Okay.
answer your question, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.